Good morning or good evening, wherever you are. You're watching our channel from across the world. So I welcome you on behalf of treatknowledge.com. Here we're just providing these basic knowledge just for free, and hope you'd like our videos. If you like them, please like and share, and if you subscribe our channel Treat and Knowledge, it would inspire us to grow and to work more towards this. So let's begin our first tutorial, which is the very basic topic called LCM. LCM, lowest common multiple. LCM stands for lowest common multiple, as all of you already know, right? But nobody goes into it. Nobody actually understands on the very initial levels. I'm talking about that we normally use this method of finding out the LCM, right? This method at the very right side of the board that we're seeing. Normally kids know this method, but they do not understand what exactly is lowest common multiple. So to understand lowest common multiple, you have to start with the multiples. What are multiples of any numbers? The multiples of any numbers are the numbers that come in table of its number. For example, I'll just explain to you with a very simple example. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6. So all of these numbers on the right that you learn your tables, mostly in the East, kids are forced to learn these tables, right? So whatever these numbers on the right, they are the multiples of 2. Okay, so some kids must be smirking at the explanation is very plebeian, very basic level, but I need to explain this. Okay, so these are the multiples. Now whenever you would be asked to find the lowest common multiple, it has to be of 2 numbers. So we cannot call it the lowest common multiple of 1. We can call the multiples of a number, but to have the lowest and common multiple of 2 numbers, we have to find the LCM. And this is basically used where in the addition of fractions. So you can see 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. You take the LCM of 2 and 3. So what is this? So the first number you see here, the first number which is common to both the group of numbers, which is the number that is common. So I don't need to explain what's common. Common is that is occurring in both the groups, this first group and the second group. The first or the lowest number that is occurring in both the groups becomes the lowest common multiple of these 2 numbers, which is 2 and 3. So it is fairly simple. The lowest common multiples of 2 numbers. So you just have to enlist various multiples of 2 numbers and then just find the smallest and the common which is occurring in the both, which is the first multiple that is occurring in both the tables or the multiples of 2 numbers. So there could be n number of common multiples, right? There could be n as we go on and keep writing this table to 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 5, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3, 3 3 4s are 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and so on. There might be many multiples which are common. There are many infinite number of multiples are common to both the set of multiples of 2 and multiples 3. There could be n number of common multiples. But what is the lowest first multiple that is common to both, which is 6. So this is the basic definition of lowest common multiple, and if you know this, then you can, without even calculating this method, without even calculating, going through this tedious method, you can, with a short trick, you can just find out the lowest common multiple, and that is how you should do it. Because when the numbers get bigger, then it is easier to do it with this method.